traders, Anthony here. This is the kind of result that is possible with the techniques, strategy that I'm going to be teaching you in this video. So everything about the video is really a tutorial to help anybody interested who would like to make perhaps a living or at least excellent profits scalping Bitcoin. So without further ado, let's get into the charts. The sell alert fired here. In fact, what I'll do, I'll just go out of here. Current symbol, we'll grab this, pull it up. Okay, that's the alerts log. We've had a couple of other signals, but this is our Bitcoin sell signal here. Just quickly, if we have a look at this chart, we can see these signals and just how profitable, some pretty serious money being made here. Okay, some of them are a little bit short-lived, but the others make up for any that are short-lived. But I mean, look at this one here. We're talking about $3,000 or $4,000 just in that move there. Okay, so if we go back 20 signals here, every one of these has been profitable. I'm going to share with you my strategy. I've got a set of trading rules that kind of go with this indicator. Now, here's a signal that could be a little bit questionable. So let's just run the strategy here and see if that made money or not. So what I do with this is whenever I receive a signal like this, I'm going to come in and I'm going to grab a fib and I'm going to go from previous level down to the signal with the fib and then down to the signal. And my target one is going to be in the orange zone here. So that's target one. And my stop loss is going to be in the purple zone. If I'm on MT4, I'm going to open 3 positions in the direction of the signal. And I'm going to look to close 2 of them at T1. All right, now in TradingView, you can actually do a partial close. So let's just see how that worked. That's my stop loss zone and my TP1 zone for this signal. And we'll just pull that back now. TP1 was reached. Let's just pull this through. So that's the worst signal that we can see. If I do that, signal was here and TP1, it may or may not have been reached depending on where you actually put that. So what you can do with this, if you want to be conservative, is you just go directly off this guy here. That's going to be a lot more positive for you, that one. Stop loss can go here, entry here. In that case, I can guarantee you the last 20 of these were in the money. But it's when we get, that worked. It's when we get one of these things that makes all the difference. This guy here, previous low to high, T1. It's going to be here, righto, opened, all right, closed 2/3, stop loss up here. For some of these that are a little bit short-lived, if you've closed 2 of them and you got one running and that gets taken out, you're still going to be in profit, depending on your position size and where you placed your stop loss, etc. All right, so it's going to be a little bit better than break even on these short runs here. But when you get one of these, look at the so if that distance is worth about $200 at a 1% of this account size, this is going to be worth $3,000 or $4,000. All of these are profitable, which is fantastic. Short-lived, that one. All right, I don't want to spend too much time going back here, but I can tell you now, 20 out of 20, definitely. That's just strategy number 1. The second strategy that I have is, and it's based off these indicators, that's why we built them, is a breakout strategy. So when we break out of the cloud, that's our cloud breakout signal here. Again, we're using this fib. We're going to come in on the next fib pullback. Anyway, the video at the moment is going to be about the signals, and we have a pretty well 100% win rate if we stick to this rule at the moment. So generally I'm going to close 2/3 of my position. You can do a partial close on TradingView, or on MT4 you'll just open 3 short trades and then close 2 of them and leave 1 in. Now you can gain lifetime access to my indicators. Click on the link below the video in the description. It'll take you to our Discord channel and you'll find all the information in there how to gain access. Just before we wrap up the video, I'll take you there and show you around quickly. Okay, now here we are in our Discord trading room. We have all this information on the left. When you join, start here, and then this is our free section down here. You can have automatic access to all of this. Daily trade ideas, market reports, etc. Trading Bitcoin. That's free. You have access to that immediately. Now to purchase the TradingView indicators, well, there's information on them down here, tutorials, etc. Lifetime access. We were making these available for $59.95. Now we've gone one step further. What we've done is we've decided to give you lifetime access to our TradingView indicators for the same price of $59.95 by simply joining our premium. So if we click that, simply click this link and gain access to our premium traders room along with all the other benefits in here. I can assure you that any other quality trade signals are going to cost you more than $59.95 a month. So this is really good value. So this being a PayPal subscription, you get to control the subscription in your PayPal account. So I mean, you can cancel at any time, or you can simply stay with it and let the trade signals pay for your subscription. So join here, or one of these options. You gain instant access to our premium, and you gain access to our TradingView indicators for life regardless. So if you decide that for whatever reason you want to cancel your subscription, here you can do that, but you'll still have access to the TradingView indicators. It won't change. Hope that makes sense. So you can send me a direct message through here. I'm Anthony, so click that and you can message me here, or you can message me in TradingView. And with that, I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.